Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the Yamaha Stagepass 400i portable PA system, the main features of it, how to set it up. Alright, so let's just jump into the video. Okay guys, as you can see, I've got the Yamaha Stagepass 400i speaker system here. Obviously this mic is not included. I'm just going to connect that microphone to test with this system. Basically this is the front of the speaker system, and this is the back of the speaker system. Now Yamaha obviously have designed this for the portable event scenarios, like maximum 30 to 50 people. This can be used indoors and outdoors. This system was basically released back in 2013, and it has a successor which is 600i. Obviously that has got more wattage, more power. Each speaker is about 200 watts peak and about 125 watts RMS, and the ohms is 4 ohms each speaker. Okay, so let's just look at the design and the build quality. So this is the built design from the back of the speaker, and this is obviously the front of the speaker. The way it works is it comes with this mixer which has got a built-in amplifier, which then provides the amplification out of these left and right speaker quarter-inch jacks, which then inputs here. So let's just disconnect this. Let's just release this from this speaker right here, and let's just place it on the desk. Okay guys, so after detaching this from the speaker, one of the speakers here, this becomes your little mixer with like 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 channels, but the main channels with the first 2 are only XLR inputs, and those are for microphones. The next 2 ones, they are for mic and line input. Number 3 is mic and line input, so you can connect any instrument or any line input or microphone here. The first 2 channels, obviously they provide phantom power, and rest of the channels they don't. So if you're using a condenser microphone, you can connect it here. So the 4th channel, obviously it has got high Z input level as well, so you can connect your electric bass or electric guitar as well, and then just configure it that way. Channel number 5 and 6, it's a variation of different line inputs. So basically you can connect a keyboard, an electric guitar again, and these are the RCA phono left and right inputs to connect external devices. And then channel 7 and 8 is obviously again a line input, and you can connect any line level inputs here. Then you've got like a 8-inch or 3.5 mm jack for connecting your phones and stuff, or any output from a laptop and stuff. And then you got like a USB here, and you can connect your iPod or iPhone and play back the music from here, and it will charge your iPod or iPhone or iPad at the same time. So it has got 2-band parametric EQ. The first band is 8 kilohertz, so you can cut the frequency by minus 15 dB and boost the frequency for up to 15 dB at 8 kilohertz. And the lower band, the second band, is about 100 hertz, so again you can either cut the frequency by minus 15 dB or boost up to plus 15 dB. And this 2-band parametric EQ is available on all 8 channels. A good thing about this mixer is it has got Yamaha SPX reverb. So there are 4 reverb settings, as you can see: hall, plate, room, echo. So that is applicable on the first 4 channels. So as you can see, here is the reverb knob. So what you do is just you select the reverb you want, and like let's say plate, and this is the effect that would be applied to that channel. If you want less effect, leave the knob anti-clockwise, or if you want more effect, then turn the knob clockwise on the first 4 channels. And then obviously this is your fader, which is the output signal going to the master bus, which is right here, left and right. Here you can connect a subwoofer, a mono subwoofer here, foot pedal, and you can connect 2 monitors here, left and right as well. As I said, there is phantom power, but it's only for channel 1 and 2, so to connect condenser microphones. Okay, this is the monitor level output right here. As you can see, this is monitoring level output, and this is your master level output, and this is obviously the master EQ bass boost. So if you want to apply bass boost, so that's your EQ bass boost. Okay, another good thing about it has feedback suppressor. So if you are in close proximity of these speakers, and your microphone is closer to these speakers, it can result into feedback. But if you turn this on, then it will eliminate the feedback. So guys, these are the main tabs of this mixer and the main functions of it. Alright, so let's just do the physical connections to the speaker, and let's just test the audio. Alright guys, I just want to show you one more thing before I do all the connections and stuff. The speaker 2 has a housing where you store all the cabling that are required to connect the speakers and stuff, and the mixer to the power. So this is the compartment where you can store all your cablings and stuff, all your cables and stuff, and then this is the compartment behind the second speaker. So what's provided is 3.5 mm or 1/8 inch quarter cable, and then 1/4 inch cable right here, TS. This is unbalanced to connect the speakers, and then this is the power cable, this is the IEC connection, and this is the UK standard plug socket. So okay, let's just connect all this and test. Alright guys, so I have done all the connections. So basically I've taken 1/4 inch TS phone jacks connectors or cables from left and right, and connected to the left speaker and connected to the right speaker. Then I've connected a SMPG58 or sorry, Shure PG58 microphone via XLR cable to microphone input 1. Now I'm gonna make sure that phantom power is switched off, because this is a dynamic microphone. Obviously before switching on the amp mixer, I'm just gonna make sure that the level is set to 0, the master output level, so it doesn't output any spike out of the speakers. Alright, so let's just turn on this speaker, I mean this PA system. As you can see, as I switched on, the power LED came on and feedback suppressor is switched on. Okay, so at the moment I'm just gonna switch off the reverb on all channels. Alright guys, so what I've done, I've connected a Shure PG58 microphone to the mic input or channel input 1, and I've selected mic input level from here. So just make sure that this button is not pressed inwards, it's just outwards, and that's gonna be mic level applied to this channel 1 input. So what I'm gonna do now, everything, all the EQs are in the middle, reverb is off, and I'm just gonna switch I'm just gonna put the signal out to master bus now, and let's just hear how does it sound. Hey, check 1 2. Hey. Okay, let's increase the signal, and let's turn this to this side a little bit. Hey, check 1 2. Hey, test 1 2. Check 1 2. Hey. Okay, so sounds all right. I mean, the mic preamps, they are pretty good for a portable system like this. Let's just put some reverb. Let's put Hall, and I'm gonna add some reverb. Like, there you go. Now I'm gonna speak into microphone. Let's just check the reverb effect. So I'm just gonna switch the reverb from here and Hall. Let's test it. Hey, check 1 2. Hey. So guys, this is Hall reverb, this is plate, this is room, and this is echo. And guys, I'm gonna show you one more thing. As you can see, feedback suppressor is switched on, so I'm just taking the microphone as close to the speaker proximity, and it's not feeding back. So obviously if I'm going to take it too close, it's going to feed back, but it's doing its job pretty well. I mean, this is how close I can take the microphone before it can feed back. Okay, so guys, I think it's a pretty neat portable PA system for audience of up to 30 to 50 people. You can directly input your musical instruments, microphones and stuff, and your iPod or iPad for background music, and then just run a live event or a small audience show. So it's not bad if you're a small performer and you are on a budget, then I would advise you to get this system. Okay guys, hope you have liked this short video about the Yamaha 400i portable PA system. If you have, then please click on the like icon, share the video and subscribe to my channel. I see you next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.